In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. So firstly, you need to open your phone dealer, and let me show you the first code, which is *## *## 225 *##. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info. So if you would like to check all upcoming events, smoothly enter this code, and data from all calendars connected with this phone would be displayed right here, so you will not forget about any important event. And let me go back then. Another code that you can use here is *## *## 4636 *##. And here we've got the testing mode performed by Google, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So all you need to do is to pick the particular area and then read the info that you would like to gain. So under phone information, you've got Imei number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, and so on. A bit lower, you can run a ping test, and here you've got the results. So let me go back. Under user statistics, you can detect time spent on each of your app. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can read Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Wi-Fi status area also allows you to perform a ping test. So just click here to perform it. And here you've got the results, and here you can obviously check the status of your network. So let me go back. That would be all for this code. Another code that you can use here is *## *## 426 *##. And here we've got the FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. To enroll some more details, more advanced info, tap on more and click on advanced. And here you've got it. So that's it. And the last code, also the shortest one, is *## 06 #. And this one will provide you with Imei number of this device. So this is it. And that's how you can use secret codes in your DOOGEE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.